Damn. Did I buy the wrong bolt pattern? Oh my god, you're right. What are you doing in there? Gonna come out? Come out? Out, please. Come on. What the? All right. Okay, guys, we're back at the garage. Decided to bring the Celica, and I was kind of bored. So we're gonna be wrapping my hood today with this fake carbon wrap. I'm only doing this until we can afford a real carbon fiber hood. We'll just do our best to clean it up before we wrap it, but the idea is to make this and these guys full carbon. Eventually, when we can afford one, we can't afford one, but I'm just being selective of what I spend my money on right now. For now, we'll just wrap it with this fake carbon wrap. I think it's by Vivid. And obviously, this is more so form over function, but it's just to show you guys how you can get a carbon hood without breaking the bank. Turn the lights on. Probably turn the heat down a little bit. This guy only cost me about $100 USD. And it should be enough to cover the whole hood, including these spoiler pieces, which I'm gonna have to readjust because when I installed them, I thought I was supposed to match this corner piece with the corner of the hood. Then I started seeing more of these setups. What they did was they lined up this bottom part to the edge of the hood and had it so there's equal spacing here as there was here, which I don't have. This shouldn't take us any longer than like an hour.
Hello, Sumai. Don't. Oh, sorry, Birdy.
You may leave. Go, go, go. What the heck, dude? Fine, you're gonna stay in there for the rest of this video. Oh God! I can't do it. Alright, so as you can see, I had it like that, but it really should be more like that. Damn, okay, my bad. This is what we got so far. Kind of looks hazy because I haven't peeled the protective layer off, but you guys get a small idea. Also did the hood scoop, and we tried our best to match the weave of the carbon. If you look closely, it's actually not bad. I know for a fact these pieces might take a little longer than like 30 minutes to 40 minutes each, but I mean, it really depends. We're gonna finish the hood spoilers, then we'll peel these off, install the wheels tomorrow when we pick them up. I think phase 1 is gonna be closer to being done than we thought. Because you know what, I just kind of want to move on to the next project. And having too many projects on the plate, on the go, and working on them simultaneously kind of just makes things a little harder to keep track of. Yeah, man, that's gonna look so sick. The idea is to maybe start wrapping this in the next few days. And I already got the Kelly Green, full roll of Kelly Green wrap ordered. And the fellows right beside us are gonna help out on that part. So I'm just doing what I can right now. And I was kind of just, yeah, like I said, bored at home. Finish this up tomorrow. What's up, guys? Today is gonna be all about the Celica. So I actually ended up picking up wheels from my friend Trey, and they're the exact style that I wanted for the Celica in the first place, which are Sarcees or Kawamis. I mean, I actually don't entirely know the difference. I'm still new to this game, okay? Like 5 years in, but I should know better. But yeah, we're gonna quickly go pick those up. They might be a little too big for this fitment, And if they are, we can transfer them onto the RX-8, which was the plan anyway. We got them for a pretty good deal, so we're gonna quickly go pick those up from Ape and then bring it back here. And actually, Sunny actually went and picked up a full roll of Kelly Green wrap for both the Celica and the E36. So maybe we can get started on those today. Or at least this guy. It's step by step. So even if we can do it like panel by panel, eventually in a few days, it should be fairly complete. Other than wheels, and quite possibly transferring the brake drums from the GTS before I scrap it, all it really is missing is a drop. And I do have a set of coils that are on the way. So yeah, this thing's almost done, okay? I promise, guys. Let me quickly bring up my Photoshop concept. So this is what I envisioned for the Celica. And I mean, it's getting there, but as you can see on the photo, it's a carbon fiber hood with carbon fiber spoilers. So, I mean, getting there. This is the direction. And once I get back from Ape with wheels, we'll probably test fit those and then bring it into Sunrise Auto's shop and get started on disassembling the Celica. Be taking the Beamer. The E36 is actually running better than it did before I put it away for winter. Starts up, no problem, no funky sounds. Plus space, there's literally no passenger seat. We can throw all the wheels in here. If you just make your way down this road, also, there's a Assured Auto Body, so that's where we get all of our parts painted, and that's Josh's Integra. Oh, that's a huge pothole, mother. And we're here. Just 1 minute down the road. I got Celica ECUs for Michael, so I figured I'd just give these to them now.
You have one design to go.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's amazing.
Finished yet?
Yep.
But the rest, they are done.
So I can take them.
Yeah, if you want, you can.
Sweet,
take them.
dude, awesome.
Okay.
Chris wrapped them up nicely for us. Enough. The last one in the trunk, Gucci. Ape Auto, guys. These people are awesome. Oh, the stickers. So we got one of the spoilers finished, hood spoilers, and that's actually, you know what, we did pretty good following the same wave pattern. And yeah, as you can see, it is supposed to hang off the hood just a little bit. It just makes it look more aggressive, but yeah, whew, just one more piece. You know, for being fake carbon, this actually doesn't look half bad. I'm sure this will trick anybody. And I know you guys can actually buy these particular pieces in carbon, but I'm just trying to save money where I can. Cheap. So now we can install them and finally rip off the plastic on this guy and see what it actually looks like. But I think I kind of screwed it on wrong this side because there's too much of a gap here. Dope. Let's peel off the plastic. Whoa. Damn. Okay, I didn't actually take the time to sand it down, so you'll see a lot of little tiny bumps. That's only up close, okay? Damn, that looks so good. And this reflection just makes it so much better. Okay, little cinematic for you guys. Also went through the effort of doing the underside. So even from the driver's perspective, the back here is carbon. Even if you lift the hood up and look underneath, it is all carbon. Tried to be as thorough as I could on this job, but yeah, that looks really good. All right, let's see what these wheels look like. Guys, it's so beautiful. The ones we had on our concept didn't even have a lip. I think these are so much nicer than the ZR10s.
Shit, these might be 5x100.
Wait, no. Did I buy the wrong bolt pattern? Oh my god, you're right. What? Oh, Eddie was right. The Celica GT bolt pattern is actually 5x100. And if I get conversion spacers, well, that'll already bring out the wheel way further than we need it to be. Figured out what we're gonna do so that these wheels don't really go to waste. I'm gonna buy, well, first of all, I'm trying to get rid of the wheels that are on the RX-8 right now, which are the ZR10s. They're really nice work wheels, but they're not the style that I wanted to go with. We're gonna need something a little wider for when we install the Lions kit. So these, being stretched and being 18x10, might actually be perfect. It depends. When we actually have the wide body kit on, then we'll figure all that out. The idea is to put these CRKs on the RX-8, take the ZR10s off, probably keep the rubbers on there, transfer them on here. And then for the Celica, I'm just gonna order really cheap CRK replicas. What do you guys even constitute as fake or replica? If they're made out of metal and they work, they look exactly like them too. And they're only like 600 bucks for all four. So that's what they look like, the drag replica wheels. And these are legitimate works. I guess for the rest of the evening, just toss back the stock wheels, and then I'm gonna start disassembling this thing to get it prepped for wrap. Probably take home the spoiler as well, so that I can just tackle that on my own time at home. I wanted to show you guys how to thoroughly wrap a complex spoiler like this, or something similar to an SDI Subaru spoiler. You're definitely gonna need multiple pieces, but it's just easier to take it apart first. So we're gonna do that. This is like Punjab grime. This is sick. Actually, reminds me of Sick Kick music. If you guys know I'm on YouTube. I hope I don't get flagged for this. I just want you guys to listen to the drop. Jeez. Also, by the way, those vocals are insanely hard, okay? It takes a master to be able to control your larynx or your esophagus, whatever. There's so many factors in singing, but yeah, that is so tough. I was about to try it. I'm not gonna try it. Here it is, the build up. How perfect. More Celica parts. I think this is a tower brace, and then this guy is actually HKS supercharger fluid for the FRS. Hello. Yeah, no problem. No problem, of course. Okay, enjoy the day, guys. Bye-bye. These guys actually live across the street. The dog's name is Rosie. Once she gets out of the door, she's gone. And sometimes I think that's why Gohan's barking, is because Rosie comes here, chills around our lawn, and tempts him. This is for my FRS, man. Apparently, it's discontinued everywhere else. This is the oil, the thing that you filled with real oil. I've been running it on like maybe 1/20th of what it should have. This stuff is so hard to come by. HKS, I should have like stocked up on it, but you know how much this is? 200 bucks just for this. But it's supposed to last like the next 4 or 5 years. Or it depends how much you push your car, really. Alright, I figured I'd take home some of the smaller pieces. That way I can start wrapping these comfortably while I watch anime. You know, kill two birds with one stone. I guess the spoiler itself isn't all that small. But this I'm gonna save for its own DIY tutorial video. And the plan is to show you guys how you at home can wrap a spoiler that's similar to this, that is as complex and has a lot of curvatures. We will save that. And then tomorrow we continue Celica disassembly. I don't know why I turned my head there, but I think that's it for this video. So appreciate you for watching as always. And if you want to get updated on when new videos drop on this channel, make sure you hit the sub button when the notification button ticked. Drop some likes, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next vlog. Thanks for watching, bye.
City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight.